and welcome to PCMINR.com, and you're watching this video on solved problems on laws of motion by Sonal Gupta. So my question says block A of weight 100 Newton rests on a frictionless inclined plane of slope angle 30 degrees as shown in the figure, and a flexible cord attached to A, this block A, it passes over a frictionless pulley and is connected to a block B of weight W. So you have to find the weight W for which the system is in equilibrium. The first thing is you just look at this block, what are the forces acting? Because the system is in equilibrium, so we find out that the two forces acting in the opposite directions should balance out each other. Now here we can see that for this block your weight mg acts vertically downwards. It has components mg sine theta along the plane and mg cos theta, as you can see here, perpendicular to the plane. This mg cos theta would have a normal reaction perpendicular to the plane which would cancel out each other, and this F, which is marked as F here, is actually the tension in the string which is acting upwards. Now because the entire system is in equilibrium, so for first block A, that would be in equilibrium if the force that is acting downwards along the plane mg sine 30 is equal to the force acting upward along the plane, which is F. Now this F, we find it out that this is m times g times sine 30 is 1 by 2, and that is equal to F. If we substitute the value of mg, that is 100 Newton given to us, so half into 100, so we get 50 Newton. Therefore F acting is 50 Newton, but this F is actually denoting the tension in the string. Therefore F is going to be the same here also on the block W. So therefore what is W? For W, for the block B to be in equilibrium, for B in equilibrium, we would require that W is balanced out by this tension, which is F here. Therefore the weight W is 15 Newton for the entire system to be in equilibrium. If you find this video helpful, please like us, follow us and subscribe us, and do follow us on Instagram and Facebook at PCMINR.com. Thank you for watching.